Hi everyone, Lauren Perreault here from RE/MAX with your weekly real estate update for the Portland metro area, including Clark County, Washington, for the week ending March 3rd, 2024. There's always a little bit of a lag as we wait for the data. This week's average sales price fell by 3% from the previous week's figures. This comes after a welcome surge of 4% in the previous few weeks. In comparison, the average sales price is now 0.6 lower than it was at this time last year. While this may appear to be a step back, it's important to consider these fluctuations in the context of the market's cyclical patterns and a small sample size. Last week, we saw a drop in mortgage rates, lowering the best case scenario for a 30-year fixed mortgage to 6.25%. This trend is consistent with a gradual decrease in the 10-year treasury yield, implying that borrowing costs may be lowered in the near future. We're hoping for 5% by July. With such developments, we are keeping a close eye on buyer sentiment, especially as we anticipate a stretch of sunny weather that traditionally kicks off the spring buying season in our area. Despite a 5% decrease in new pending deals, which now total 540, completed home sales have increased by 49% to 497. This surge in transactions, combined with a 1% increase in total inventory, paints a dynamic picture of a market ready for action. Furthermore, new listings have increased by 18%, potentially providing more options for those interested buyers. Meanwhile, price reductions have increased by 16%, indicating that sellers are willing to adjust their pricing strategies and their expectations in response to market dynamics. Despite these fluctuations, the final sales price remains strong this week at 96.8% of the original asking price. However, it's worth noting that canceled listings have increased by 57%, while expired listings have increased by 291%, indicating some degree of volatility in sellers' decisions. It'll be interesting to see how many relist. As we move forward, we will keep a close eye on how these factors continue to shape the real estate landscape in our region. Whether you're thinking of buying or selling, it's critical to stay informed and adaptable in this ever-changing market. If you need personalized information, something about your neighborhood, your zip code, etc., or help navigating your real estate journey, please contact me at lauren@pdxhomesforsale.com. Your goals are my top priority, and I'm here to help you achieve them. Stay tuned for next week's update, in which we will continue to monitor the pulse of the Portland market. I wish you a productive and successful week ahead.